Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven spark module board in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Unthread the 3 screws to release the left side stop bracket. Repeat to detach the right side bracket. Now lift the upper rear access panel up to remove. Disconnect the control board wire harness from the oven spark module board. Note the orientation of the bake and broil spark wires, then disconnect them, along with the grounding wire. For better access to remove the board, unthread the screws to release the cover. Now unthread the mounting screw and lift the old board straight up to remove. Install the new spark module board by aligning the 4 mounting studs in the slots on the back panel. Thread the mounting screw to secure. Replace the cover if applicable. Connect the bake and broil spark wires to the appropriate terminals on the new board. Connect the control board wire harness and the grounding wire as well. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by hooking it on the tabs. Realign the 2 stop brackets and thread the screws to hold them in place. Reinstall the lower access panel by inserting the tabs in the slots first. Lower the panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.